Welcome everybody, welcome everybody. Tickers Lisa, Coretta, Juba, King Carter, Richie Rich. You know me already, you know. You know me I gotta come talk the thing how me see it, you know. Big up everybody from Bronx. Auntie Joan, big up yourself. You know me already. You know me already. You know, DJ just drop a road, so me da give him couple days for cool off, you know. And me still say big up Gaza fans. I feel no time to celebrate. And we have to just happy for everybody. You know, we don't wish jail for no man, you know. Because jail is a rough place. Big up Milanine. Big up Andre, you don't know. But we have a reason now. But Star Madley, I say, you did tell me, say, I'm going to free like me, did say, I'm not going to free. Me say, whether I'm free or whether I'm stay depends on him and God. Me never say I'm not going to free. I'm going to address that too. I see some people in the comment section. Foota, you did say, him thief people style, and him thief melody for true and words. I'm glad that him there outside so him can answer for that. Me never tell a lie yet, you know. And me never say no, and me nah look no hyper, me nah look no friend. If Cartel now don't want to chat to Foota or rate Foota or it's either in the ear or there for me. You know, Beat Busy and Ellie say, them take people style and them take people melody. And Cartel do the same thing. So me I say if you need a bun Busy and Elephant, you have to bun Cartel too. You not going like say me that say no way, me not gonna say no. Me not business. That's the truth. So, it don't make a difference if Cartel they are road or if him they are jail. You see me? Are the same for the same. You get me I say? So, me don't know when I act like when I think say me I want group here, me I gotta act different and me I gotta change up what me did say now. No, it's the same thing what me did say. And it's the truth. Only don't notice although sometimes when me talk not sit well with me, you know. But the truth, I know nobody can say a lie me that tell. And me can't catch a break. Everything they call me name and try to implicate me and me can't catch a break. When I notice a bag of people are cuss me and a trace and when me talk about my father, in look a cheerleader then come out a trace, but all now they can't say a lie Foota tell. And now Cartel come out, back a man about, oh Foota remember you did say this and say that, me still I say it. Me still I say it. And me can say it even more now, cause Cartel the outside can address it. Can me realize most Gaza fans don't even know nothing about Cartel. Me not gonna run and be in a group, you know, and oh, me never did say that, me say it and me still a stand for it. Uno go in a Google. Uno do it for me. The people I'm there where are Gaza fans, uno do it for me. The song I name, Picture Me and You and Me, Kissing. When you say that in a Google and ask for the original song. And no Kartel come up with that. And no Kartel come up with that, you know. Those are borrow words and borrow melody. Him sang in an early stage, him say, if me never bust, every artist should have scared of us. First on the list, the one named Berries, a Busta Rhymes melody that. What do you want me to do? Tell lie? Tell him to say a lie, me I tell. He can't say a lie, me I tell. So Gaza fans go sit down. And him sang and say, I'll never. Well, Batman never do it. Face on a title seat. I think I alternate this song. And I will never grow old. I'll never scare. So what I talk about? First thing me do when me wake up. But I great for me nerves first. Straight panton. Straight from West Panatown. But I'm a female melody that either. Whole heap of melody him use where a people melody. So we don't want to come act like Foota did say something bad. That's just the truth. Yeah, man, he make it. He's very great at what him do. But what me I say now, me nah argue if him not make it great or what. So what me I say, when you see Kartel come out now, nah, but Foota did say this and Foota still I say it. No change. No change, you know? No change, you understand me I say? Him can't come say a lie, me I tell either. And him out now and him have him Instagram and him free and him can talk, him can come say, Foota a liar there. He can't say a lie. Because the proof is there and a whole heap more song with use melody. Some all I always say, if you go beat Busy Signal and you go beat Elephant for use melody and words from other people thing, Kartel do it on a higher scale too. You understand me I say? So just the truth. But here now, me see my clout the group with them now. You see? Me people remember, you know. A Kartel we talk about, you know. Remember Kartel can't tame, you know. Remember Kartel is a fuck up kind of human being. So, me see my shame them. The whole like group with them where I run up and down and over there comment and the man just look on him comment them. Answer what you want answer. Skip pass, we must skip pass. You know? And just skip pass. All you pussy, me not like you from long time. Me not reply to you. Yes, it's my day I want to reply to. Pop. Skip past them next 5, 6, 7 comment here. I'm going to sit down and laugh. And I say, fuck you know. So, man, I love to talk about Foota hype this and Foota on our biggest groupie, on our biggest hypocrite, on our biggest pussy hole. So the man just this, you know. Me not have to be in a group with me over here, so I'm good. I go let me say same way. I Foota hype me say same way. Me now switch up my thing. Alright. Kartel me youth too. Me and Kartel used to park. But you know me take side with Gully long time because me are the Gully. So me not gonna make true Kartel come out of jail now. Me a be a hypocrite and a play myself. They man, you all some big name artists who me know say, them and the man no good from when. Run a comment and a look groupie status and the man just diss them. And me I say blood clot because the man play themselves. When you never hear Kelly said never play yourself. When you never hear. Hear why? Kartel for this some of them. When Kartel they are jail for 13 years. Some of them where you see a comment and a run on the man page and a comment and a reach out to the man. Them never yet ask how him lawyer fee a go. Them never yet ask how him commissary a go. Them never yet ask if him pick them alright. Them and him never cool when him go in. And while him in there, them and him never get cool. So where you no run a group you up on yourself for? Why not run a group you up on yourself for? Me, you know. Me and Kartel never good before him go in. So me never reach out or nothing at all. Him come out now, me and him still not good as far as me know. He would have to reach out to me. And say Foota hype, everything good, roll back a vibe, but me now run go group up myself and go like me that dieted Gaza fans are. No. You see me? I'm not hypocrite. I'm not pussy wall. So, the man have a right to skip past and comment them and answer who him feel like. When I say who me attack, I know one of them or two of them. You know, see man skip past them comment, man. And answer who him feel for answer. And ignore who him feel for ignore, man. Yo, when me I look at it, me I laugh to ass clap. Me I say, watch ya. Look how I embarrassing yourself. As big artists, you not embarrassing yourself. Lord, the man make the man dwell in him glory of him freedom, man. You understand? As I make the man enjoy him freedom. The whole of no one be bitch now and dick rider. The whole of no. I only love talk about Foota hyper group and Foota hyper this and Foota. How uno, my biggest group, them shame like dog. See man in him phone, yeah? And the man just see them coming, skip past and pussy. Never like me in there before got suck on no matter. And who this Nicki Minaj? Who will comment back? And him go and him say, Popcorn! Big up Popcorn. Skilly Ben, big up Skilly Ben. And I see some legend and some big artists run a group up themselves. Man, clot, you know. Yeah, man, me over here so humble myself, man. Remember, you know, me a no gully by choice, you know. Me a gully by birth. You see me? So, me have to understand and know, say, the man na here never deal before him go in. When him in the yarn, him not deal. When him come out, just happy for him freedom and thing, wanna run go be this big groupie and them something there. It not look good. And it's shame. I'm a hungry artist. Me see other people in the music where him not deal with, run and come out, jump out to that bag of comment. And teacher just look over them comment and pass them. Now use them. Everybody want to show say they are the most loyal Gaza. You can't be the most loyal Gaza because Sean Stam gone with that title there already. You cannot get no award for the most loyalest Kartel fan because Kartel don't give that to Sean Stam already. Sean Stam get that title there already. So won't run down. Lord, the man make the man do him thing and enjoy himself and reach out to who he want to reach out to. You understand me what I say? You get me I say that, right? Yeah, man, enough for humble, man. I sure say, alright, let me tell you something if you do real. Because I love, you know, post these things now if you look like on the real. You know, ever send one 10,000 US go give Kartel on him there jail? I want an artist, don't want to do out the road for the whole 13 years and make money. If you did so rate Kartel, you never send one 10,000 US go give him, whether I'm asked or not. You never say, TJ, give Kartel a 10 grand and make him send it back. Never. Who ever say, yo, Shorty, how the youth them stay? See a 10 grand here and go and pay some bills and cover some bills and do something. Who they never do that? Who ever call the liar them yet and say, yo, see 120 grand US, put it on cartel money. Cartel with that ear and say, oh, them boy, they send money. But you that did send it. Who not real? Who not real at all? That's so when him a clout to know nothing wrong. When you not enough up and want join the freedom clout and him clout to know nothing wrong. The man know say, who not real. Alright. Me I can tell you the truth. Kartel play every night in a dance, because Kartel a big giant. But the series of Kartel when me see some man a play now, since Kartel come out a couple days ago. And everywhere you go a series of Kartel. Remember my video them a play a series of Kartel from Kartel they are jail now. From before him even have no hopes of coming out. And me still not a Gaza man. What uno I do now, I see every selector jump out and I go like them are the most loyal I play rounds of Kartel back to back now. And I party them and me I laugh. And everyone on a post now and I tag him. Remember my video them all? My after champs video them and my best of the best video them. Buju and Kartel a whole heap of work I put in when them there jail. Not me alone, you know, but me I'm glad to talk about myself. You understand me I say? So, me see be a man a jump, uno a wagonist, uno a hypocrite. It's just the truth. I just the truth. So when the man a ignore you know and a skip past you know, me as an alliance gully person, a video will go viral multiple times. I play rounds of Kartel. And me have them, I could have rise them up as him come out. I could have got a boom and go in my gallery and post them. I know that's something there. It's just another day. Glad to him come out and Gaza fans. Make the real Gaza fans them celebrate. Make the real Gaza people them all a vibe. Wanna run in pan. Wanna run in pan. Make the people them with truly a Gaza enjoy the moment. Me have video too. Whole heap of video. When me play rounds of Kartel and I tear on the whole place, so you know, when you see me post them. But why me I go run go do that now? Why me I go run go do that as Kartel come out? And me is not a Gaza fans. Allow the people them who are diehard Gaza fans fish enjoy the moment. Allow them for all them vibe. Wanna come out and cloud up the people them channel. Stop cloud up the people them channel, man. Make Gaza people have a Gaza moment. No found a switch and say vendetta and switch and say genocide and some switch and say law, some switch and say six. Some allow the people them all them Gaza powers and keep the DJ going while him in there for the 13 years. Somebody say me can't tell people what to do. Me can't tell nobody what to do, but it's not good to be a wagonist. You understand? It's not good to be a wagonist. Me, personally, can be gully or Gaza anything we want. Because when Kartel forward run killer, me there run killer already. Me and my team already. And me response for him dance, I'll play them. You understand what I'm saying? So, me could have swing both if me want from Gaza to Gully because my youth them. You understand me? I say, but no, Gully me thing there. You understand? And me play rounds of Kartel before me even come a road. Where a video can post, but me deliberately not post them. Because a Gaza moment make the people them with die-heartedly, strictly say Gaza enjoy that moment, yeah. You understand me I say? Me see group here crawl out from all side. Wagon is a crawl out from all side. And the man just a sidestep on elbow on move on a pussy one. A man dealing wicked. Yeah, man, I don't give the Gaza people them a moment, which I feed them time. I feed them moment, I feed them celebration. You understand me? When Buju forward was Buju moment. When Jackie did come out, I was Jackie moment. You understand me? We have to be realistic. Lowy Gaza people them. Make them enjoy them moment, man. A Gaza time. Low them. Excellent Tashi, big up yourself. Low them, make them enjoy themselves. Me no want run in pan the Gaza parade. Make them do them thing. Loaded 876 by badges, big up. Me say, the amount of selector we see now, I play 25 Kartel one time. Me never see them do that before Kartel come out, you know. Yes, Kartel play every night because Kartel hit on a lot of rhythm. But we are talking about designatedly, I play rounds of Kartel like back to back to back to back to back. I must see me and Chris Diamond. And who else me see do that? Me don't remember nobody else so me see do that. Just I play rounds of Kartel. We not juggle no rhythm. We just play around 15 Kartel or around 20 Kartel. Some of them not happy saying out. Some of them just seize the opportunity to catch a clout. Including some of them artists here where you see a right on them page and a tag him. Them not really busy about Kartel either. Them just want to catch a clout because this is the thing of the moment. You understand me I say? So, yeah, big up Lava too. Lava always represent Gaza. You see me? So, me not understand. Come on, like, give the Gaza people them moment. You understand? Give them moment, man. Me not run go find out and me have 2 Kartel dub. Me go run go play them now because Kartel come out. Where did the work? Long before we even know if he might come out. You know, we just give them respect as a bad artist. You understand? And we are doing it. The proof is there. So we are doing it before there's even any possibility where we know say ma come out. Be a running, me say I go on. And teacher this you know. Every time him this you know, me I go highlight it. You know why? Cause you love this me. And say me a groupie. Ah, who know I blood clot groupie. Someone want to come like Batty man. Yo, some of them artists boy I come like Batty man. Yo, the man this them yo. And some still look. And I see who the man I reply to and who him not reply to. Me laugh it. Yeah. 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 Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Fuck cow, no? I'm supposed to feel like I squeeze out back juice, don't you? Yeah, man. uh, I wish fake page this. I tell my fans them to go suck them mother. You mad? All a black now. Yeah. I don't even want to see where the comments say. Then you go suck your mother to my fans them all a black. Cartel. Somebody posted Cartel can't tame. The blood clot stayed. Remember, you know, Adi the teacher from Borderline, him can't tame. So, when me see it, me have to say it. And you know, me are from the people, for the people, right? Me don't know if a real cartel come out, you know. And me have the highest blacklist on Instagram. And me block the most people. No business. Me have black people, me don't care and I like me care about numbers and followers. Me business. When me say something here, so it gone on YouTube, gone on TikTok, gone on News, Observer, everything. So me don't worry about followers. I don't worry about numbers here, so cause all if I one person, they must screen record it and them are gonna put it on other platform. And me are the most reposted. You see me, a viral king. A Cartel alone come pass me out day before yesterday. And them still have to post me with him. And in fans, them a try get at me like me did I say some bugger thing when me them a try to tell lie for me. Like me no can't say anything when me did say when Cartel they are jail. Now that's him there road. Me can't say anything more I say. Cause me never tell a lie. Never, ever, ever tell a lie. You understand what I'm saying? So, me no want nobody a comment. Oh, Foota did say this, and Foota did say that. Me can't say anything when me the rascal say no. And me feel better I say it now, cause him there I can answer to it and talk if I lie me I tell. If you don't notice, you know, people always come and attack Foota, but they never yet say, you know, a lie him there tell. The mongo can say, him chat too much. Foota chat too much. What is too much chatting if it's the truth? See, I saw scatter run out, say me a tell lie, and then you see the whole thing blow up now. Everybody a beat him. And me I say, Jano, look there. Me not even in a beef with Donson or I say nothing bad about something. Me just a beat baby face. Cause him come cast the general bury some man forget a stylings and hold it more artists and everything. And him jump out, lie me a tell and me a give misinformation. Look upon the big can of worms where it open now. Everybody a clot him. And a clot something. Come on. How do you know me come so boom. And me talk about my work what me do with Movado. And me I say, yo, Movado for give Kibaki and Flex and the whole of them motion. Flex chuan pam pam and bloomers and chuan in Brazil. And come out a trace like a girl. Roll out him tongue like a carpet and just a trace so. I know he can't say a lie me I tell. I know. You know one house like a beer man living there with one dirty door. Then could wipe off the door and the door knock before he come live. And watch it. 3 days, me give him for all a little fame. You know how long nobody not see Flex on YouTube? Oh, sorry. I forgot some enough to say the word flex because flex I go vex if me say flex. Because flex, I say me mustn't say flex. So people, me now go say flex because me don't want flex vex because me say flex. So I won't say flex. Even if I me breed him X, I won't say flex. Because I don't want flex to vex because me say flex. Okay? So, I'll say Eggman. I won't say flex because flex is going to vex if I say flex. So I'm not going to call Flex Flex. I'm going to call him Eggman. Okay? So now, Eggman, nobody no remember him. Two me call him name, in chew on him G-string, put on him brassiere and come out a trace. Now he might trace me for him over though. And Nave might trace for himself. Right? And then he might say, me want be him. Remember Eggman a artist, right? And Eggman a song